Friends, let us know how to do Upavishta Konasana from Sirsasana and Kala Bhairavasana. Also, we will be knowing the benefits of these three asanas. Let us begin the practice without wasting our time. Mentally sit in Vajrasana like how we do the Sirsasana. Place your elbows on the floor, release your palms, interlock your fingers, place your crown of the head on the floor. On inhale, lift your knees up, gently rise your legs up, vertical position. Stay there till you get balance and slowly on inhale, keep your legs wide open on inhalation. On exhale, slowly lower your legs down and keep your legs wide open and split it out. This is Upavishta Konasana. Stay in this position as long as you can, but do not force. And slowly come up on inhale, rise your hands up. Exhale, hands down, back to Baddha Konasana, butterfly position. To release the strain from your hamstring and other parts of the leg. Flap it 30 to 40 times, then counter pose, backward bending. Inhale up, exhale. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. Now the next portion, how to do the Kala Bhairavasana, the preparation for Kala Bhairavasana. Bend your one leg, place it the same side of your hand below your leg. Hold that foot with your other hand and extend your leg straight and slowly lower it down. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. It should be done both sides. The other side now, same way. Stretch it nicely and relax. 2-3 times. Now the next we are going to do the Kala Bhairavasana. Bend your knee, place like before, exactly same way. Now here place your both hands beyond your body, bend your other knee. On inhale, rise your hip up, lower your head down, backward. Rise it up maximum as much as you can, but without straining. On exhale, lower your back butt down. Similarly, this will be repeated the other side. Do it with systematically without straining. We need to prepare our body and the breath before doing these asanas. Stay as long as you can, but do not force at all. Good. Extend your legs forward. Repeat it 3 to 4 times. The counter pose up and down. Friends, it is very important to know how to do asanas, and much more important to know what are the things we should do after doing the main pose.